Hello everyone, I am Madhusri US studying first semester MSc Mathematics at National College, Jainagar. Today I am going to discussing about planar graph and non-planar graph. Now start with definition of graph. A graph is a mathematical structure consisting of object V, V1, V2, V3, so on Vn called vertices or points or nodes and another set E1, E2, E3, so on En called edges or lines or arcs. The set V of G called vertex set, E of G called edge sets of graph G. In a graph theory, planar graph and non-planar graph is most important concept in graph theory. Now discussing about definition of planar graph. A graph is said to be planar graph if and only if it can be drawn in a plane without any edge crossing or crossing edge. Otherwise, it is called non-planar graph. Planar graph. In a graph G is said to be planar graph if and only if like the two edges crossing each other. At this point, the two edges are crossing each other. That's why it is not a planar graph. It is a non-planar graph. Now we take one example for planar graph. In this graph contains 4 vertices and 6 edges. The given graph G is non-planar graph because A and C, D and B, two edges are crossing each other. So it is a non-planar graph. In a planar graph, it can drawn in a plane without any edge crossing or crossing edges. So this graph is considered as non-planar graph. The given graph G is a non-planar graph because A, C and D, B vertices or edges are crossing each other. So we consider graph G is non-planar graph. Now we convert non-planar graph to planar graph without any edge crossing or crossing edge. Now we draw planar graph. Now in graph G, no edges are not crossing each other. This set is not crossing each other, but we join A and C. Now we connect A and C like this. This point the edges are crossing each other. Now we connect A to C like this. There is no edge set, no edges are crossing each other. Now this graph is called planar graph. The graph G is a planar graph because does not contain any edges. Now we see there is no edges are crossing each other, so it's called planar graph. This example for planar graph. Now we go for this problem. Show that a complete graph of 5 vertices is non-planar. In this problem, we consider a complete graph. Now we discuss what is complete graph. The complete graph denoted by Kp. where P is vertices. All the vertices are adjacent to each other is called complete graph. This graph is complete this graph is complete graph as this graph is complete graph because two vertices connected by using edges, A and B connected by a edge, and A and D also connected by edge, D and C also connected by edge, B and C also connected by edge because this graph is called complete graph. Now we construct a graph with 5 vertices. This graph consisting of 5 vertices. We can take A and C are connected by using edge and A and B also connected by edge. This is complete graph? No. E does not containing A. So we construct or we connect A to A and D to A. Now this is complete graph. Each vertices are adjacent to each other. Now A and C are connected by using H and A and B also connected by using H. A and E also you by connecting by using H. A and D also connected by H. Now it considered as complete graph. It is planar graph? No, because these edges are crossing each other. These edges also crossing each other. So it is called this graph is called non-planar graph. K5 is a non-planar graph. K is suffix of n number of vertices in this graph. Now we draw in a separate plane without any edges crossing. Now we draw planar graph. Up to this point there is no edges are crossing each other. Now we connect E to A. In this way we connect to E to A. This point we two edges are crossing each other. So we connect like this. Now there is no cross or crossing edge each other. We connect A to D like this. Then this point and this point edges are crossing each other. So we connect like this. Up to these points there are no edge crossing each other. Now we connect B to D. In this way we cannot connect this like because this point the edges are connected each other, so we connect like this. In this point two edges connected each other are crossing each other. There is no way to connect it B to D. We connected like this. In this point, at this point, at this point, two edges are crossing each other. There is no way to connect E to D, sorry, A to D. Hence, we can say that K phi is a non-planar graph. Hence, we can say that K phi is non-planar graph. A complete graph with 5 vertices is a non-planar graph. So, we do not draw a graph in a separate plane without edge crossing in complete graph with 5 vertices. So, complete graph in a sub in a 5 vertices is non-planar graph. If in case we consider as 6 vertices, it is a planar graph or non-planar graph. Thus K6 and K4 and K5 are non-planar. In fact, any graph which contains topological embedding of a non-planar graph is a non-planar graph. Which of the graphs are planar graphs? This graph J2 graph is a planar graph. So we already discussing what is planar graph. In this graph there is no edges or crossing each other. So this G2 graph is considered as planar graph. Now we discuss what are the application in planar graph. Planar graph where we use. What are the uses in planar graph? Where we use the planar graph. Now we discuss. The planar graph is used in many partial application with the graph structure with crossing edges or this used in design problems for circuits, subways, utility lines. Designs problems for circuits, subways, utility lines. This is the description for planar graph and non-planar graph. Thank you everyone for watching this video.